290 and then 95 started the production unit. Orurla factory irundhathu. Then I purchased one land at Sitco Tirumudivakam, about 0.355 acres, around 40,000 square foot area. 14,000 square foot vertical I have constructed. Now recently added another 8,000, total 22,000 square foot building is there now. Initially we were having smaller capacity machine. After 2010, I removed all the smaller capacity, started with the higher capacity machine, and my customers are Hyundai, Kia, Ford, Nissan. Microbosch has awarded us a 0 ppm award in the year 2005.
Stuff for you. Let's see one example on it. This will be the last tool, and then we'll go to one example on for model generation. We'll look into that later. Let's go new. New button. Okay. Now, for trial purposes, it's asking you to cut and paste some document in there, and let's see what happens. There should be a